Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My name is Brianna and I'm super excited to get into today's video. Today we are doing a what's in my bag. This is what's in my work bag edition. So I thought that'd be really fun. I'm gonna show you everything inside and then some of the cool features that are on the bag. So let's get into this video. Also, if you enjoy these types of videos, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out a lot. And if you think there's something great that I could add to my bag or just something that you put in your bag, please let me know. I would love to hear it. So this is my bag. I have a really big work bag. So this is my bag. Ain't she pretty? It's so pretty in person. So pretty in person. I got it off the TikTok shop. There's so many different versions, but I fell in love with this one. It has a really cute like pop out style on the front. And it has this little like chain here. It's a really, really big bag. And what I love is that it has this huge pocket here for you to like put your lunch items. I use this pocket like all the time, and you can easily put an ice pack in there too to keep it cold. So nothing's in here right now, but it's actually pretty spacious. The bag itself isn't really that heavy, but when you add stuff to it, it definitely does make it heavy. So I will say that. But you can put your laptop, you can put pens, notepads, books, your papers, all your good stuff. There's so many pockets on the side for you to put little like knickknacks and lip glosses. You can add your water bottle to it, but there's not actually a water bottle holder in here. You just kind of have to like balance it out in the bag and it'll keep it upright. This is the bag. And let's talk about what's inside. I have my trusty, my nice claw clip, hair clip. Love her. I have that. I also just like to carry a hairbrush with me. And I like having a little lotion for work. This one's apple. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. But a little like work lotion, you know. I got this like at TJ Maxx. I don't usually have this, but it's tea because I'm gonna bring some tea in tomorrow because I want to start drinking tea at work. So this is my tea. And then I have this little notepad. And I have my AirPods. They're falling apart. I have my AirPods. What else? Oh yeah, I got a new gum for work. So it just helps like after lunch, I get like kind of sluggish and it kind of like brings me back to life. I also have my wallet. And what else? This bag came with this little bag in it. And inside this little bag, I keep like women products, and I'll just keep some of like my favorite pens in here. I'm such a pen girly. I'm a pen freak. I love my pens. I love my pens. Oh yeah, I have sunglasses. I like to wear these when I'm leaving work. Just a pair of sunglasses, another pen. I showed you that already. So that's everything on that side. And now I'm gonna show you all of the little trinkets. Oh, and another pen. I have so many lippies. I have this I Heart Buc-ee's chapstick. Okay, yeah. So I have this. I thought this was so cute. I got it at a farmer's market. I got this lip balm holder. It has a little tail. And I also have my lip balm. This one's lemon scented. And you can just literally keep it in there. Yes. I have my pepper spray. It's in a form of a lipstick. Don't want to confuse that. I also have my Rare Beauty. This is the lip gloss. I think this is the lip gloss. Yeah, this is a lip gloss in the shade Glimmer. But it's a nice little color. Okay, just a couple things. I also have this lipstick in there. I have a lot of lippies. I just never know which one I'm like in the mood for. Lastly, these are just things to like calm my nerves, calm my anxiety. I have this Aroma roll-on essential oil, and this one's very like summery. It's really bold actually, but it's in the smell Jasmine Plumeria, and I got it from this little like gypsy shop. But yeah, you just roll it on. Just kind of like wakes up your senses. But I love this little guy. And then the last thing I have in here is my Rare Beauty Aroma Pen. And so this guy is quite expensive to me, but I always find myself using it. So, and you can literally put it like on your wrist, you can put it behind your ears, on your neck, like just any little points on your body that help relax you. But it just like kind of calms me down. But that is literally everything inside my work bag. I'm just gonna show you a drone view. So this is like a pretty big pocket on this side. It's really deep in here, but there's, like I said, no water bottle holder or anything. You just have to be careful. And then the side I was showing you all my lippies on were all these little tiny, there's like kind of bigger pockets, but not that big. And then there's like the zip up one up here that you can keep closed if you want, but I was putting on my lippies kind of where you can store your pens or anything else that's small like that. But yeah, this is everything inside my work bag. Hey guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!